Hi, this is Kat with Beadaholique, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make an offset pair of earrings using Nunn design charms. Now, I love using Nunn design, especially when it comes to mixing metals, but in this video I'm going to show you how to mix charms. So this really great line from Nunn Design features all kinds of sweet little charms, and what I really love is the scale of them. As you can see, I've pulled out several here. The scale is really beautiful, and I think it really fits nicely on these long earring hooks. So this part right up here is the part that's going to sit near your ear. So the cool thing about this is that you actually only need the charms and the earring hooks to do this design, so you don't need any additional jump rings. However, if you wanted to, you could add jump rings, you could add chain, all kinds of different things to this, but we're going to keep it really nice and simple here and just pop on a couple of charms to our earring hooks. So to do that, I'm going to be using a pair of chain nose pliers and a pair of bent chain nose pliers here. So as you can see, I've made a silver version here using a moon and an arrow. So I'm going to call that Shoot the Moon. And then I have a lovely little heart here. And I love that this is actually going to hang a little offset. You can see where that jump ring is. It's not quite right in the center. And then I have this beautiful little flower, this little rose here. So we're going to have some fun with that. All right, so to do this, it's very simple. We are going to come in and you'll see that the loop on this earring hook is towards the back. So go ahead and just grip that ever so slightly there. And I'm going to sneak my bent nose pliers in there. And I'm going to bend that back just large enough to be able to slip on my little heart here. Now, because you can decide if it's going to lay this way or this way, you can kind of decide. However, you can also just flip it on your ear, so it's up to you. So this is kind of a front and back charm. I'm going to have mine go that way. So now I'm just going to come in with my pliers one more time and grip those same two little spots to close up that earring hook. So now you can see that it's going to face the front just like so. All right, so let me show you that one more time as I add on my little rose here. So again, just gripping the loop, pressing it backwards. Now this one does not have the same front, although it does have a really pretty back. So you'll want to make sure that you slip it on like so. Go ahead and grip it with your chain nose pliers. There we go. And I'm going to sneak my bent nose pliers in there to close up that loop. All right. That's it. It's so easy and it's really fun. And like I said in the beginning, feel free to mix those metals. You can also kind of, if you make a couple pairs of these and you want to, do a Cupid one, you can also mix and match that. You can mix and match and, put the gold charm on the silver hook. There's tons of fun things you can do with this kind of style. And I really encourage you to have a lot of fun and just really play around with this to discover that. All right, thank you so much for watching. You can get all of these supplies and see even more tutorial videos by heading over to beadaholique.com. And if you're new to our YouTube channel here, be sure to hit that subscribe button below to get all the latest from Beadaholique.